Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Monday, May the 21st, 2012. Well, a change of trend today, finally, and we have a candle with a higher high and a higher low. Previous couple of weeks we had very strong downtrending black body candles with the sellers being in the ascendancy and the sellers in total control of this market. Today, for this candle, the buyers have taken control again. We have a large white bodied candle, and the market is open at the low and close towards the high, denoting the buyers showing very strong commitment throughout the whole trading day. The buyers were strong enough to take out the 1300 round number level, which is quite interesting that they've taken out that round number, and does suggest that the market will rally higher. Now, if we do rally, we do have some resistance at 1333 and at the Tenkan-sen, which is trading at 1328, 1329. We also have potential resistance above there to 1347 and to the Kijun-sen at 1353. In terms of Ichimoku, the market is bearish in all three timeframes, so we're trading below the cloud, below the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, so we're bearish in the long-term, medium-term and fast-term timeframes, but the market is retracing back towards equilibrium now, and initially when we have very strong downside momentum, as we've seen in this market for the previous couple of weeks, the initial resistance is at the Tenkan-sen. And that's a very important level moving forward for this market tomorrow or the next trading day. I suspect that the market will capitulate around that level, which is at 1328, 1329 at the moment, and we could see downside price rejection once again. If we do see that, there's a possibility we could test back down to 1300, but quite often with that strong downside momentum, the first level of resistance that tends to hold is the Tenkan-sen, so let's watch that area. If we do take that out in a very bullish manner, then there's strong potential for the market to trade up to the Kijun-sen, which by the way represents equilibrium in the medium term time frame. Now that is pointing flat, and very often when the Kijun-sen points flat, price action is attracted back towards there, so that does suggest that the market will at least retrace back up towards the Tenkan-sen, trading at 1328. In terms of some of the Fibonacci ratios, just looking at the Fibonacci extension of this previous strong downswing, following the retracement of that downswing, we had the market hold up at 100% of that previous downswing. So that's very, very important. Sometimes these Fibonacci extensions and ratios work out very well, and that coincided with the strong level of support in this market, roughly around the 1300 level, and I did suggest that there was a possibility the market could test just down below there and we could see buying coming in. So that reinforces that level as having been quite strong. But moving forward for tomorrow, we now have the buyers in control. The trend has changed in the first time frame. The second time frame trend is still down, but we are now seeing the buyers potentially trade the market back up to at least the 1328, 1329 level, perhaps to 1333.